My brothers and sisters, we've heard a lot recently about this special Synod of Bishops that's taking place in Rome, where representatives of the Episcopal conferences of the world have gathered with our Holy Father, Pope Francis, and they're talking about the pastoral life of the Church, especially in regard to marriage and issues associated with that. This Synod of Bishops is a very special meeting where the Pope gathers with representatives of the bishops' conferences around the world to look at issues that are confronting the Church at the present time. This one, of course, is a very timely one because the Church is engaged in a lot of reflection upon marriage and family life, recognising the important role that marriage and family play not only in the life of the Church but in the life of our society. There are values about all of that which are important to us, and we recognise that we need to do all that we can to foster them and to help those values to be strengthened in the midst of our society today, which seems to be intent on changing all of that. This synod has been called by Pope Francis as an extraordinary synod. In other words, it's outside the normal pattern of these meetings which are called on a regular basis. The reason why he wanted to be an extraordinary synod was that he actually wants this synod to be the way in which it sets the ground for the ordinary synod that's going to be held in Rome next October. And the topic of the synod next October will be on marriage and family life. You might remember that in preparation for this extraordinary synod there has been a massive consultation in the Church around the world, and that was something that was conducted here in Adelaide as well. We all participated in that consultation, gathered our material, sent the material to Rome. It became part of the preparatory document that has been the basis of the discussions which are taking place in Rome at the present time. So the Holy Father has asked us to participate through those means, and there will be more of that next year in preparation for the ordinary synod. But he's also asked us to participate by being involved in this work that's going on in Rome through our prayers. So we've been praying in the Archdiocese for the gifts of the Holy Spirit to be given to the Holy Father and to all the other people who are participating in the Synod, helping them to be guided to see what it is that the Lord is asking of us in response to these issues and challenges that are part of our life today. So our prayers are important, our participation in the life of the Church is important. We are not operating in opposition to the Holy Father and the Synod of Bishops. It's all part of our same Church that we belong to, and we all have a contribution to make. We do it by our participation through our prayer, through our interest, through our engagement in whatever it is that the Holy Father asks of us as we prepare for the next Synod in 2015.